Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Today we're going to be animating this, a Leatherman Wave Plus. I wear it every day. It's a multi-tool. It's got a ton of functionality, even for animators. So yeah, let's animate. All right, so I just got done animating. It took about 2 hours, and one thing I was keeping in mind with this animation as I was animating was being mindful of slow in and slow out. So because this multi-tool was having a lot of sweeping motions, large like arcs and stuff, one way to keep it looking natural is by being mindful of slow in and slow out. Adding small incremental movements at the beginning and at the end of a larger movement. So, you know, having maybe 10 small short frames moving from point A to point B, maybe, I don't know, 5 or 6 longer, more dramatic movements, and then finishing it off with another 10 smaller movements. And what that does is it allows for more natural looking movements, because when, you know, in real life, things don't go from 0 to 200 like that. There's a speed ramp, right? And so slow in, slow out, trying to use that, incorporate that in this animation. I hope you could tell. Anyway, thanks for watching. I have more of these coming up, and yeah, take care. See you later.